This is my mulberry with my raspberry embeds. I don't think you can tell, but there's a shimmer. I put a really fine glitter on top, and I really like this top. I like the colors. Like, they just, I don't know, they speak to me, these colors. So let's line this up and cut it and see what I got. So I did a drop hanger swirl, and when I was doing it I felt like I had too much color and not enough white base, but I actually don't think that's bad. I used 3 different purples, the darker purple, that magenta type color, and then a blend of those two to create that in between. And ooh, that one has a lot of color. It may have just been a tad too much color and not enough white. I mean, I still like it, it's fine. But when I was pouring it, I realized, I was like, there's a lot of color and not a lot of white base. I have 2 loaves, so I'm curious to see what the other one looks like, because generally the 2 never come out the same. Like, I have lots of wide swirls, but not up and down. So I'm curious as what the other batch will bring. Lots of color. Not a lot of white, but I actually still think it's really pretty the way they kind of wisp about. So let's, I want to cut the other batch too and see. Oh, that's pretty similar. That's interesting. I definitely didn't get enough ups and downs, even though I felt like I did. That's lots of color, not a ton of white, but I'm okay with that. I like it. I like this. So finding a mulberry that has a usage rate in soap that is not minuscule has been hard. A mulberry that I like. This is from Midwest Fragrance, and it's very tart. Like, I like it. I like tart scents, so I'm okay with it. It's not as sweet. Like, there is sweetness to it, but it's not as sweet as I was expecting. So it's been like, it was just interesting. Ooh, look at that. Because it just wasn't 100% what I thought it would be, but I do like it. And I'm gonna save a bar for me. That's how you know I like it. when there's a bar that goes to me. And like I said, it's not like tart. Like, there are some scents which are really tart. This just, it has these undertones of tartness to it to me. So it's like sweet, but there's still a little bit of just, I guess, a kick. So there you have it. Mulberry.